Sometimes, when you're using Android phones, you might notice a new Google dialer on some devices. It sorts calls into different sections and has a fresh calling style. If your phone doesn't show these options, you can enable the new Google dialer on your smartphone. In this video, we'll explain how to use the new Google dialer on your Android phone. In my case, you can see I'm using the old Google dialer. There aren't any sections at the top. To get the new Google dialer, here's what you need to do. Open the Play Store. You'll see a search option. Click on it, and at the top, you'll find Search Apps and Games. Click that and search for Phone by Google. When you search for Phone by Google, you'll see an option for the Phone by Google app. Click on this app, and you'll find an Update option. Tap Update and wait for it to finish. Once the app is updated, open the application. Now, when you open the application, you'll see sections at the top, which means the app is updated. You can now use the new Google dialer. That's how you can easily get the new Google dialer on your Android phone. Hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.